Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Creating a table of contents in Word is way easier than you might think, and it'll save you tons of time when you're working with longer documents. Step 1. First, you need to set up your document structure properly. Open your Word document, and make sure all your headings are formatted using the built-in heading styles. Go to the Home tab and select Heading 1 for your main chapters, Heading 2 for subheadings, and Heading 3 for smaller sections. This is crucial because Word uses these styles to automatically generate your table of contents. Step 2. Once your headings are formatted, position your cursor at the very beginning of your document where you want the table of contents to appear, usually right after your title page. Make sure you're on a blank page or in a location where you want this table to sit. Step 3. Now go to the References tab at the top of your screen. Click on Table of Contents, and you'll see several design options. Choose the style that matches your document's vibe, whether you want a classic look or something more modern. Word will instantly generate your table based on your heading styles. Step 4. After insertion, you can customize it further. Right-click on the Table of Contents, and select Update field if you've made changes to your headings or page numbers. You can also adjust the depth to show more or fewer heading levels depending on what you need. Step 5. Finally, test it out by clicking on any heading entry in your table. It should jump you directly to that section in your document. If your page numbers look wrong or headings are missing, go back and make sure all your formatting is consistent throughout the document.